Do you want to spend a little more time outdoor? Do you want your kids and pets clean? Do you want your kids, guests, and pets safe? Revolutionize your backyard with synthetic turf. This is the same turf that is preferred by the NFL and other major sports leagues. With its durability and versatility, you can enjoy the same quality turf in your own backyard. Say goodbye to the hassle of maintaining a natural lawn and hello to a stunning, evergreen, and low-maintenance synthetic turf. Transform your outdoor space with hassle-free synthetic turf. Say goodbye to time-consuming maintenance tasks such as mowing, watering, fertilizing, seeding, and dealing with muddy patches. Our synthetic turf requires no maintenance at all. With our product, you can enjoy a lush, green lawn all year round without any of the hard work. No more spending your weekends tending to your lawn, instead spend your time enjoying it. Our synthetic turf is also environmentally friendly. You won't need to use any chemicals to keep your lawn looking great. Plus, most insects won't find a food source or housing in artificial turf, so you won't need to use any bug sprays. Leave the installation of your synthetic turf to the experts. Our team will guide you through the process, starting with gathering essential information such as your project address, scope, and photos of your current space and inspiration images. We'll schedule an online Zoom call to discuss details and develop a tailored plan. On the Zoom call, we will get a lot done. 1. We will review your photos and use satellite imagery of your property to see the area and measure with precision. 2. We import the overhead image into our hardscape design software. 3. In the design software, we will begin to create a great design while you watch. 4. From that design, within moments, we can provide costs for you budget. 5. We will provide a list of materials to show you how we can best serve you. Our design software will provide a preliminary budget. Usually we can close job and send a contract immediately. Sometimes projects will require a site visit to finalize before sending out a contract. Don't wait any longer to enjoy the benefits of a beautiful, low-maintenance lawn. Contact us today to learn more about our easy-to-maintain synthetic turf and take the first step towards a stress-free outdoor oasis. Contact us now.